The Master Overview. What you are witnessing. What you're witnessing here is larger than a single video, a single message, or a single series. This is a living architecture, a body of work being built in real time, piece by piece, frequency by frequency, to speak to the human heart in every stage of awakening. This isn't entertainment, and it's not a brand. It's a constellation, a network of stories, philosophies, and transmissions designed to help a person remember who they are and who they can become. There are four major bodies forming the backbone of this universe. The God signal, the realm of the divine, where consciousness, design, synchronicity, science, and faith are woven into a single signal. This is the voice that asks, what if you're not imagining the signs? What if you're finally listening? Twin flame frequency, the realm of the human heart, the fire of recognition, obsession, loss, awakening, and remembrance. Not romance, reflection. The mirror that burns until you see yourself clearly. Gratitude in the ashes, the realm of integration, the voice that speaks when everything falls apart, when the divine goes silent, when you must learn to stand again, not because life is easy, but because you refused to go numb. Revolution manifest frequency, the realm of the world, where personal awakening becomes collective, where consciousness becomes courage, where the listener realizes the system isn't broken, we are asleep inside it. Each realm is its own universe, but they are also one. Every series is a different doorway, but all doors lead to the same place: awakening, reflection, integration, action. The God signal awakens you. Twin flame frequency reflects you. Gratitude in the ashes rebuilds you. Revolution manifest frequency sends you back into the world transformed. This is the Frequency Trilogy: light, fire, and ashes. Running parallel to these divine transmissions is the shadow side companion, OneSoulZeroFucks, the human frequency, raw, unfiltered, no mysticism, no poetry, just the truth we feel at 2 a.m. The voice that asks the questions the divine voice is often too polite to answer. It is the exorcism to the God signal, the confession booth for twin flame frequency, the ground wire that keeps the trilogy from floating away. It is the reminder that awakening is not a performance. It is messy, ugly, violent, and beautiful only in hindsight. What is being built? The vision. What is being created here is not a playlist. It is a living canon, a multi-series, interconnected philosophy spanning cinematic manifestos, raw human monologues, memoir threads, spiritual transmissions, metagame theory, trauma reflections, shadow side truths, future books, an eventual AI-based mentor built on these teachings, and a volunteer-based global awakening support network. This will grow into a complete body of work, a library of awakening, a digital cathedral built from sound, story, and remembrance. This is the foundation of the next decade of content, the scaffolding around a legacy being assembled brick by brick. And if you're here, listening, then you're not here by accident. People don't stumble into this universe. They recognize it. You are part of this canon now, not a spectator, a participant. You will find your reflection somewhere in these transmissions, in the divine, in the fire, in the ashes, or in the no bullshit human voice that refuses to lie to you. What is being built here is not just content, it is a map. 12 months from now, this will be a fully formed ecosystem, a world you can walk into every day and find exactly the frequency you need. Guidance, courage, healing, truth, shadow work, divine alignment, human honesty, evolution. This is the beginning of something much bigger than both of us, a transmission that will outlive the moments that created it. Welcome to the architecture. Welcome to the canon. Welcome to the place where frequencies converge. This is the universe we are building, and you are already inside it.